Hello and a beautiful morning to everyone. I'm your English teacher Piyush, and I hope you're fine. So, in the previous class, in the previous period, we discussed about one activity, right? And I got some responses, and those were wonderful. Particularly Sihir and Nada Nanku, they sent me some very beautiful piece of their audio and video clips. So in this video, I'm going to discuss this particular theme only, and I'm going to continue this theme. Okay. So I gave you a story, and I got responses of the story as well. I got some answers, and those answers were right. But I'm not sure whether you listened to the story or you just watched or saw this text of the story. So if you have listened to the story, that's great. So now, as for today, I have given two activities. Okay, let me talk about activity 2 first. In activity 2, what you have to do, आपको activity 2 में क्या करना है? आपने you have to ask your parents to narrate a story. आपको अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलना है कि वो आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाएंगे, बट दैट स्टोरी शुड बी इन योर लोकल लैंग्वेज. ओके, वो जो स्टोरी आपको सुनाएंगे वो लोकल लैंग्वेज में होनी चाहिए. और उसके बाद आप सेम स्टोरी उनको नरेट करोगे इन हिंदी और इंग्लिश, या तो हिंदी में या इंग्लिश में. इससे क्या होगा? दिस विल कंफर्म द पेरेंट्स, दिस विल सेटिस्फाई द पेरेंट्स, एंड दिस विल मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड whether you have understood the story or not. इससे आपके पेरेंट्स को कंफर्म हो जाएगा कि आपको स्टोरी जो है लोकल लैंग्वेज में समझ में आई थी या नहीं आई थी. ओके, एंड दिस विल ऑल्सो हेल्प देम इन learning in English subject, in English or Hindi language, if they are not able to comprehend everything in Hindi or English language. Okay, अगर उनको हिंदी या इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ में आती तो वो उनको भी समझ में आ जाएगी, थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प हो जाएगी. Okay, so this is the second activity, and as far as activity 1 is concerned, you have to pronounce these sentences in your local language. आपको इन sentences को local language में pronounce करना है. Okay, I'll take an example of my own local language, that is Punjabi. Basically, I am from Haryana, so my language should be Haryani, but my mother tongue, basically my local dialect, जो मेरा जो mother tongue है वो पंजाबी है. So I'll speak in Punjabi. Okay, I want to practice driving a car. मैंने गड्डी चलानी सीखनी है. That is in Punjabi. मैनू गड्डी चलानी सीखनी है. Okay, the next one is I've completed my work. मैं ते अपना काम निबेड़ चुकिया. और मैं ते अपना काम निबेड़ता. Next. And Punjabi is the most famous language in our country. Apart from the main languages, Hindi and English, Punjabi is the other main language that is famous. Okay. Often everyone, I have not heard anyone not listening to Punjabi songs. So, and it is very easy. Okay, the next one is I bought a new pair of branded shoes yesterday. In Punjabi, I would say, मैं कल नए branded जूते लेके आया. Next, how's your preparation for exams going on? So in Punjabi, we add on in this ਹੋਰ ਦੱਸ, means और बताओ. तेरी exam, or you can say yeah, exam only. तेरी एग्ज़ाम बारे पर किन्नी प्रिपरेशन हो गई है? एग्ज़ाम दी किन्नी प्रिपरेशन हो गई है? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज़ आई कंप्लीट माई होमवर्क एवरी डे. मैं तो अपना सारा काम रोज़ ही करना. आगे दे आगे वास्ते नहीं मैं छड़ना कुछ भी. दैट मीन्स आई डू नॉट लीव एनीथिंग फॉर फ्यूचर. और you can say I do not procrastinate my work. Procrastinate means Sometimes students are in the habit of leaving the work so as to be done in future. सोचते हैं कि बाद में कर लेंगे ये काम. So that is called procrastination. Okay, so these are the two activities which you have to do. And with this, thank you very much, and keep on doing your work and keep yourself active and indulged in different activities, and keep on sending me. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your day. Take care. Stay safe.